while the Pro 6 offers roughly the same impressive benchmarks as other 8th generation Core i5 devices, including convertibles and ultralight laptops, it shines with the greatest luminosity in the field of battery life. The lifetime of this hybrid is over 8 hours in my tests. It is extraordinary, especially compared to the 5 hours, 45 minutes that the Surface Pro 4 made. Other refinements may be less obvious immediately, but they are equally important. The keyboard on the type cover keyboard, an extra $130, and not included in the price, is possibly the best I've seen on the device of this type, and the trackpad is still good, although its clicks are high enough to wake up. A fingertip directly applied to the screen is even more effective for entry, but creative professionals will want to invest in the $100 Surface Pen, also not included, which is still a fine-tuned drawing tool. Apart from its optional new color, in addition to the original gray, you can now choose black physical format. The Surface Pro has not changed drastically. The metal stand now bends back 165 degrees to be used on a drawing table, but the 2.4-pound weight with keyboard, 1.7 pounds without, and the thickness 19 mm with keyboard, 9 mm without are still in line with the latest releases. There is still no cooling fan in the device, so the Pro remains silent no matter what you throw at it. The Surface Pro has only 2 cable connectivity options, a mini-DisplayPort connector and an old-school USB 3.0 port. In addition, a micro SD card slot is well hidden under the hinge. Complaints about the lack of at least one USB-C port started more than a year ago, and now it's getting to the point where